Hey guys, I'm here today and I am bass fishing in my neighborhood with Charlie. Check out his channel. I'll put it in the link. Yeah. And then we got this guy coming. His name's Bryce. Yeah, he's coming. Yeah, we're gonna fish for about 3 hours today. 2 maybe, I don't know. And yeah, let's hope we catch some fish. He's already caught 2 today. Yesterday I caught 2 pretty big ones, and I don't know about him. He's caught a big one recently, like 2 days ago in a river. I just caught bass. The second I turned off my camera, it bites. Well, so here it is, and I'm gonna get y'all the release. There we go! Another one! And I lost bass. I know, 3 in like 10 minutes.
That's a mossy back. It's an old one. Way to go, Oscar. Look, he's got some duck feathers on it right there.
I think I want to get a picture of this one.
Oh, you do?
Yeah. The other one was too tiny to take a picture.
Man, I just take a picture of everyone.
You do?
Yeah.
Unless they're like so tiny, like. You don't even know that guy, do you?
No. That was hilarious.
I think that guy's working on that house over there.
I think he's high. Alright, where'd you find him?
Let's try these out, and let's get to fishing. Ooh, I got one. Oh, this is a good one. Kind of, yeah.